Welcome to another episode of Kaks Weekly podcast. Today, we're talking about self-driving cars, gold mines in Ghana, oil prices in Nigeria, hurricanes, and of course, how all of these impact your investments. Stay tuned, because this is going to be a wild ride. Our first segment is Tesla's Cybercab, the future of autonomous driving. Let's kick things off with one of the hottest topics right now, Elon Musk's latest robotaxi reveal. On Thursday, at Tesla's We Robot event, Musk hyped up the new Tesla Cybercab, a self-driving car that could hit the streets before 2027. Now, if you've been following Tesla for a while, you know Musk has made some bold claims about autonomous cars over the years. Remember when he said we'd have full autonomy by 2017? Yeah, that didn't quite happen. But what makes this different? Tesla's Cybercab is set to be an affordable, fully autonomous vehicle priced below $30,000. Imagine a world where you don't need to drive and you can simply get into your car and let it do the work. Whether it will live up to the hype remains to be seen, especially since investors weren't too thrilled after the event, with Tesla stock dropping 5.7%. So, how does this affect you, the savvy investor? Well, Tesla's long-term vision for autonomous driving is still strong, but in the short term, investors were expecting more concrete details. If you're looking to invest, this might be a chance to buy Tesla stock at a discount, but don't expect overnight returns. A little fun twist. How about we imagine the future? Picture yourself sitting in a Tesla Cybercab, no steering wheel, no pedals, and heading to a restaurant. What would you do with all that extra time? Maybe catch up on a podcast like this one, or better yet, brainstorm your next investment idea. Second segment, Gold Rush in Ghana, striking it rich, switching gears from futuristic cars to a blast from the past. Gold mining. Ghana is back in the spotlight with a major $1 billion deal. China's Zijin mining group is buying Newmont's Akium gold mine, and this could shake up the gold market. But it's not all glittering gold. Illegal mining, known as galamsey, is booming, and while it's boosting Ghana's economy, it's also harming the environment and people's health. It's a complex issue. On one hand, you've got massive corporations making billion-dollar deals, and on the other hand, local miners are risking their lives for a slice of the pie. Your investment takeaway. Gold is always a safe haven investment, especially when global markets get shaky. But keep an eye on how deals like this, along with illegal mining, impact supply and demand. Investing in gold stocks, like those tied to Newmont, could be a solid bet if you're looking to diversify. Segment 3. Oil prices in Nigeria. Fuel for thought. Now, let's talk oil. Nigeria has just increased petrol prices by over 15%, and this has sparked a ton of debate. With the scrapping of subsidies, the price of gasoline has skyrocketed, and this is putting a strain on both households and businesses. Why is this happening? Well, Nigeria's government is finally selling gasoline at full market prices after decades of costly subsidies. It's a necessary move, but it's causing quite a stir. Your investment angle oil is a global commodity, and Nigeria's decision to remove subsidies is a significant shift in the market. As an investor, this could mean opportunities in the energy sector, especially if you're looking at oil companies or even alternative energy as more countries move away from fossil fuels. Your investment angle. Oil is a global commodity, and Nigeria's decision to remove subsidies is a significant shift in the market. As an investor, this could mean opportunities in the energy sector, especially if you're looking at oil companies or even alternative energy as more countries move away from fossil fuels. Segment 4. US inflation and natural disasters, navigating stormy waters. Last but not least, let's take a look at the US economy. Inflation is slowing down, which is a positive sign, but food prices are still climbing. To top it off, the US is facing one of the most destructive hurricane seasons in recent history. Hurricane Milton just hit Florida, causing billions in damages and shutting down key tourist hotspots like Disney World. So, how does a hurricane impact your investments? Well, aside from the obvious damage to infrastructure and businesses, hurricanes can disrupt supply chains, drive up insurance costs, and even affect energy prices. Your investment insight. Natural disasters can create volatility in the market, but they also present opportunities. Companies involved in rebuilding efforts, renewable energy, or even tourism recovery could see a surge in value. It's all about timing and understanding the industries most affected. Fun challenge. For all you listeners, here's a challenge. Imagine you had to invest in the rebuilding of Florida after Hurricane Milton. What companies would you choose? Construction, insurance, renewable energy? Drop your ideas in the comments section and let's see who comes up with the best investment strategy. So, we've covered everything from futuristic cars to gold mines and oil hikes. The takeaway? The world is constantly changing, and as an investor, you need to stay informed and agile. Whether it's betting on Tesla's vision, investing in gold, or watching oil prices, there are always opportunities if you know where to look. Thanks for joining us on Kaks Weekly podcast. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time as we dive into the world of fun, exciting investments.